Hey Minecraft lovers! Do you want your Minecraft world to look ultra realistic and beautiful? Well, you're in for a treat. Today I'm going to show you one of the best shader packs ever made, SEUS, also known as Sonic Ether's Unbelievable Shaders. This will completely change how you see Minecraft. The link to this shaders is in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. If you love playing Minecraft but want it to look more real and beautiful, then SEUS, Sonic Ether's Unbelievable Shaders, is perfect for you. This shader pack changes the look of Minecraft by adding better lighting, shadows, reflections, and more. It makes the game feel like a whole new world. SEUS is one of the most popular Minecraft shader packs. Many players use it because it brings realistic skies, moving clouds, shiny water, and natural sunlight. The trees move with the wind and the light changes depending on the time of day. Even the night sky looks amazing with stars and moonlight. This shader is also great because it works well on many computers. If you have a good graphics card, SEUS can give you stunning visuals without slowing down your game too much. It's perfect for those who want a better Minecraft experience without making things too complicated. The link to this shaders is in the description below. You can download it and follow the simple steps to install it. Just make sure you also have OptiFine or Iris installed, as SEUS needs these to work properly. One of the best things about SEUS is the realistic lighting. When you walk near lava or torches, the light glows around you. When it rains, everything looks wet and shiny. It almost feels like real life inside Minecraft. Whether you are building a house, exploring caves, or just enjoying the view, SEUS makes everything look better. It's like giving Minecraft a fresh coat of paint. The link to this shaders is in the description below. Don't miss the chance to upgrade your game. So that's it for today's video. If you want your Minecraft to look stunning and more alive, give SEUS shaders a try. The link to this shaders is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more Minecraft tips, and tell me in the comments what shader you're using right now. See you in the next video.